Hey guys. Hey.
Hola, we're
We're-
camping.
I'm camping and we're about to watch a movie right now. Sorry if you can't really see us. Here, let me go light.
We're having so much fun.
Okay, there. Now I can see us, but kind of. But anyways, we're
Leah's gonna come over tomorrow. We're gonna go swimming.
swimming.
We should tell Leah to bring her bathing suit.
She probably already knows. Anyways, so we're about to watch a movie. And there's like a big mosquito. Sorry, my name was choking. But there's like a big mosquito outside our thing. Hold on, let me show you. We're tent camping. Can you see that mosquito? Look how big that is. It's so scary. It's so scary. No. Anyways, so yeah, that's it, guys. And we'll post a lot more videos tomorrow.
About swimming.
Yeah, because we're just so busy unpacking and making our tent. So yeah, that's why we didn't post any videos. Anyways, bye. Peace.